So here we have a Flex Q4 that we set up to monitor a wind turbine and control it. We've got a big mess of rectifiers here, a couple different rectifiers and some solid state relays to control a dump load, and another just shorted out when we want to turn the thing off. And so here's a Flexus Q4. You can see the wind current. We can see, let's see, channel 8. So you can see there's the AC waveform of it. And if we go, you can see it's going 31 volts at minus 31 volts on a 24 volt system. So if we go here and we actually turn the short on, and we go back here, you'll see it's going 1.2 to minus 1.2. That's just the rectifier loss. You can see it's going real slow now as well. And so let's just turn that back on. Let's go to the dump load, and now you can see.
It smells like Scott's smoking pot.
Yeah, it's going to the dump load, 6 to minus 6 volts, and yeah, 3-phase coming in here, and current sensor measuring the AC turbine voltage. We've got temperature sensor back here, and we got some solar chargers here as well. There's some more current sensors, relays. There's another Q4 in here with relays that's used to control some of the microtik radios. And just show you the turbine out here. There you go, beautiful little spinner. Look at that. Let's see how many watts it's putting out. Let's see. How many watts do you think it's putting out on?
I don't know.
Let's guess. 400
watts.
500?
Well, right now, yeah, 400 or 500.
Oh, well, we got it right in the dump load. Hang on, let's turn that off. There we go. 20 amps at 24 volts, so what is that? If we go to 17, we can actually see. Let's see the frequency too. What is that, 64? Dude, it's going a good solid 15 amps. A good clean 15 amps.
What is that, 24 volts?
Yeah, it was doing up to like 30 amps a little bit ago though.
Are you going to be running the...
That is beautiful. What's that, Seth?
Are you going to be running the wind fan like only when you guys need power? Because
Yes.
It seems like you're going to waste it out if you don't.
Yeah, no, we're going to set up with logic rule, so it only lets it run when we actually need the power. The rest of the time it'll be shorted out. Look at that, dude, 25 amps.
That's 480 watts, dude.
That is awesome.
And you should also have it so it detects the wind speed up here and won't run it over.
Yeah, we'll make it shut